Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the launcher and account. This avoids restoring to the wrong profile. Once done, backup or screenshot your layout so you can rebuild faster. Now go to Home, long press a blank area, and tap Home Settings or Widgets. That directly opens launcher controls. Make sure the desired launcher is installed. If not, install it from Play Store. These initial steps set a reliable starting point and prevent accidental loss of shortcuts or folders. You next decide whether to reset or reinstall. Clearing launcher app data wipes layout and forces a fresh home setup, which is quick and effective. If you prefer, uninstalling then reinstalling gives the same clean start and removes corrupted files. Once the app is reset or reinstalled, go to Settings, find Default Home App or Home, and pick your launcher so the system routes home presses correctly. Doing this restores the base environment for shortcuts. You finish by rebuilding the home. Drag apps from the app drawer, add widgets, and recreate folders using your backup screenshots as a guide. Make sure to reapply wallpaper and adjust grid or icon size in launcher settings so everything fits. Once done, test the home and back buttons to confirm the default is active. If the launcher fails to load or icons remain missing, force stop the app, clear its cache, and reboot. That single troubleshooting step fixes most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.